Welcome back to the Montgomery Zoo and Man Wildlife Learning Museum Virtual Enrichment Day. Danielle here again, and I'm going to show you another one of our animal ambassadors, and we're going to do some enrichment with her. We're going to meet Ma Cherie, and we call her Cherie for short, our Red River Hog. Now, Ma Cherie was born right here at the Montgomery Zoo, and we decided to bring her into the education department when she was just a baby. She's been with us since she was only 1 month old, and she is now about 7.5 months. So she is learning all the ins and outs of being a hog. And one of the things that hogs and all pigs do really well is root. They have these really amazing snouts that are prehensiled and can be used like a shovel to dig in the ground and find all kinds of nuts and seeds and roots of plants and all the things they want to eat that they find delicious. So we have built a box for Cherie that we are going to add substrate to. Today you'll see we've put hay and dirt in there for her. And we will put all kinds of fruits and vegetables in, and we're going to watch her do the natural pig thing. She's going to root around and find all that good tasting food and eat it right up in front of us. So join me and let's see what she does. That's exactly how I expected it to go. Cherie is very food motivated, and when there is food, she will find a way to find it and eat it. So you saw that she was all over that box. She dug that nose deep down inside that hay and found those fruits and veggies to eat and enjoy. We love doing things like this with her because it keeps her active, and pigs are very smart, and we want to keep their brains working so that they have something to keep them from getting bored. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed watching Cherie in her rooting box.